Thank you for choosing Vego Garden. Today we'll be assembling the rolling planter. This planter is perfect for patios, balconies, and temperature-sensitive plants that you want to move around between seasons. To start, lay out all the components of your rolling planter. You should have the 4 garden bed panels, a 2-part wicking cell, and the rolling bed frame and wheels. Next, attach the wheels to the frame using bolts, washers, and cap nuts. Be sure to align the 3 holes at the base of the wheels to the 3 holes at each edge of the frame. The cap nuts should be installed on the underside of the frame. When attaching your wheels, be sure to place the 2 locking wheels on opposite sides of the frame, not on adjacent sides. Once all of your wheels are attached, tighten and give it a good test spin, and lock the wheels for stability through the rest of assembly. Next, attach the adapters with the notched side out. These hold the garden bed to the frame, and tighten the cap nuts. Assemble your garden bed panels, installing hardware only in the first and second bolt holes, and attach safety edging to the top edge. Place the garden bed on the frame, aligning the adapter hole on the inside and the notch on the outside of the bed. Secure the bolt, washer, and cap nut through the garden bed and connector and tighten. Next, place the wicking cell tray into the bed and push down until it's flush against the frame, followed by the wicking cell top. You may now install hardware on the remaining holes of your garden bed. And with that, your rolling planter is complete. I hope this video helped you, and I'm wishing you all a beautiful day in your garden.